Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to share files on Google Drive on Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between sharing file on Google Drive on Android or sharing file on Google Drive on iPhone. It is the same process with the same simple steps. Firstly, what you need to do when you open up your Google Drive, simply need to get up to the file which is on the third selection, which is shared. And here you can find out that you have nothing on your side, and you need to click on the plus icon on your right side. Then you can go for folder side. You can open up whatever you want, go for create. Now when you got create that section, you need to simply go for that folder, add, for example, I don't know, we'll go with adding an image just to show you up. I'll go with this image. Now we're gonna wait to get up through this section. As you can see, the picture has been uploaded. Now on that folder, just click on the three dots, and then here, as you can see, you have that share option. Click on the first selection, and here guys, you can add people or groups that want to get up into that link, and simply they're gonna just join up into this folder section. Now also you have the option to click on the three dots on your right upper side, and then you can choose who has access or don't notify people. And by adding here people, you can just simply get back, go again on the three dots, then go manage people and links on the second selection, and right over here you can get on the link settings which says only people added can open with this link. Now go for change, or simply go on the upper side to get up that link. As you can see, the link has been copied. Now get back, for example, to, I don't know, to Twitter, and you can just simply go and send this section to this side. Just go edit, paste, and as you can see, the link has been selected and also has been added right here. Now you know guys how to share files on Google Drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.